To convert a relay schematic into a PLC ladder program first requires an understanding of how the relay schematic functions. In this application, the conveyor motor will begin operating when the limit switch and stop switch are closed and the start button is pushed. The conveyor will continue to run until the limit switch is opened or the stop button is pushed. The relay schematic shows the use of contacts from a control relay to provide power to the red pilot light PL1 and the green pilot light PL2 and the motor starter coil M, as well as the ceiling contact for PB1, the start button. When you convert the relay schematic to a PLC program, all of the switches are connected as inputs to the PLC, and all of the pilot lights and the motor starter coil are connected as outputs to the PLC. The control relay is replaced by the internal relay with a B3 address. Since we want the contacts that are addressed to the three switches to have logical continuity when they are closed, you would use examine if closed instructions for all three. This is the simulation for the process control. Pressing the start button I:3/0 will turn on the motor starter O:4/1. Opening the limit switch I:3/2 will turn off the motor starter. Also pressing the stop switch will turn off the motor starter. To convert this circuit to a PLC ladder program, you must first understand how it functions. A jog circuit turns on the output only while the push button is being pressed. In this hardwired circuit, pressing the start button will energize the CR coil, which will cause contact CR1 to close, energizing the M coil. When both the CR and M are energized, contact CR2 and M will be closed, which will latch around the start button, and CR and M will remain energized even after the start switch is released. If you push the jog switch, only M will be energized, and CR2 being open prevents the latch from being completed. Therefore, when the jog switch is released, the M coil will not be energized. This is how the jog circuit would be implemented with a PLC. The jog, start, and stop switch would be connected as inputs to the PLC. The motor starter M will be connected as an output. In this simulation, pressing the start push button turns the motor on, and it continues to be on until the stop push button is pressed. When the jog push button is pushed, the motor is only on while the button is pushed.